Good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss in F block element comparison of lanthanide and actinide. Already we discussed what is lanthanide contraction, causes and consequences. The next important question: how to extract lanthanide from monocyte sand? Lanthanides are extracted from monocyte sand. Today we are going to discuss comparison of lanthanide and actinide. What are the similarities or what are the difference between lanthanide and actinide? First, we will discuss lanthanide. You know the common difference and electronic configuration and what's the common oxidation state, maximum oxidation state. You know very well for lanthanides common oxidation state is +3, maximum oxidation state is +4. Which element exhibits +4 oxidation state? Cerium. But in the case of actinides, common oxidation state is +4 but maximum oxidation state +6. Which element exhibits +6 oxidation state? Uranium exhibits +6 oxidation state. The first point, binding energies of 4f electrons are higher. For which one? For lanthanides, binding energy of 4f electrons are higher. 4f electron mean what? 4f electron nothing but lanthanides. So binding energy of the 4f electrons are higher for lanthanides. But here binding energy of 4f electrons are lower. 5f electron mean actinide. So 5f electrons are higher. 5f electrons of 5f electrons of binding energy very less. Second one, maximum oxidation state possible for lanthanides +4. Maximum oxidation state +4. Which element exhibit +4 oxidation state? Cerium. Cerium exhibit +4 oxidation state. But here, due to lower binding energy, it exhibit higher oxidation state like +6 and all possible. In the compound of uranium exhibit +6 oxidation state in UF6 and UO2Cl2. Okay. What's first point? Binding energy of 4f electrons are higher. Here binding energy of 4f electrons are lower. Here, what is the maximum oxidation state? Only +4. Which element exhibit +4 oxidation state? Cerium. But here, due to lower binding energy, the maximum higher oxidation state are not possible like +6. Uranium exhibit +6 oxidation state in the compound of UF6 and UO2Cl2. 4f electrons have greater shielding effect, but here 5f electrons have very poor shielding effect. Most of the ions are colorless, not all the ion. Most of the ions are colorless. Here, most of the ions are colored. For example, U3 plus red in color, U3 plus which color? Red in color, UO2 plus U3 plus red in color, U4 plus green in color, UO2 2 plus U3 plus red in color, U4 plus green in color, and UO2 2 plus that is yellow in color. UO2 2 plus that is yellow in color. Okay. So binding energy of 4f electrons are higher, binding energy of 4f electrons are lower. Maximum oxidation state for lanthanides +4, cerium exhibit +4 oxidation state, but here maximum oxidation state +6 because of lower binding energy. It exhibit +6 oxidation state. Which element? Uranium exhibit +6 oxidation state to the compound of UF6 and UO2Cl2. Most of the ions are colorless, but here most of the ions are colored. This is one more question. U3 plus red in color, U4 plus green in color, UO2 plus yellow in color. They are paramagnetic, but the magnetic properties can be easily explained. This is also paramagnetic, but the magnetic property cannot interpret. You can't explain very easily. So this is paramagnetic, that also paramagnetic substance. They do not form complex easily. It form complex too easily. You have easily to form a complexes. Then except promethium, all are non-radioactive. This is also very important one more question. Dash is the radioactive lanthanum. Promethium is a radioactive lanthanum. Okay, promethium. So except promethium, all are non-radioactive. But in the case of actinides, all are radioactive. All are radioactive. Then the complexes are less basic. This is more basic. Less basic, here is more basic. Do not form complex easily. They form complex very easily. Okay, form very complex. Do not form oxocation. Do not form oxocation, but here form oxocation. What do you mean oxocation? Oxygen as well as positive. For example, UO2 2 plus, UO plus. NPO2 plus. Oxocation means oxygen must be there along with plus oxocation. Okay, so one of the important 1 mark question: dash form oxocation. Octanates form oxocation. Dash form oxocation. Octanates form oxocation. Dash is a radioactive lanthanum. Promethium is a radioactive lanthanum. U3 plus dash in color, red in color. U4 plus dash in color, green in color. U2 plus dash in color, yellow in color. These are the 1 mark questions. Okay. What are the similarities or compare lanthanum and octanide? Here the binding energy of 4FL trans are higher. Binding energy of 5FL trans are lower. Due to higher binding energy, very less oxidation state possible. Maximum is +4. Which element exhibit +4 oxidation state? Cerium. Due to lower binding energy, higher oxidation state like +6 and all possible. Which element exhibit +6 oxidation state? Uranium exhibit +6 oxidation state in the compound of UF6 and UO2 Cl2. 4FL trans have greater shielding effect, but 5FL trans have very poor shielding effect. Most of the ends are colorless. Most of the ends are colored. U3 plus red in color. U4 plus green in color. U2 plus yellow in color. They are paramagnetic, but magnetic properties can be easily explained. They are also paramagnetic, but you cannot interpret. Very somewhat tough. They do not form complex easily. They have much tendency to form complex easily. To form easily complexes. Except promethium, all are non-radioactive. So only one element is radioactive in the lanthanides, that is promethium. All are non-radioactive. But here all are radioactive. The compounds are less basic. Octanates are more basic. They do not form complex easily, but it form complex very easy. They do not form oxocation, they form oxocation. Okay, it's one of the important 5 mark questions. Next one, what are uses of lanthanides and octanides? Where the lanthanides are using? அப்ப இதுவே 3-4 1 mark question இருக்குன்னு பார்த்திருக்கோம். Dash form oxocation, octanides form oxocation. Dash is a radioactive lanthanum, promethium is a radioactive lanthanum. U3 plus dash in color, E3 plus red in color, U4 plus green in color, U2 plus yellow in color. Okay. Now uses of lanthanides and octanides. First one, a pyrophoric alloy. What do you mean pyrolysis? Heat. So pyrophoric alloy means heat involved reaction. A pyrophoric alloy which contains cerium, lanthanum, neodymium, aluminium, calcium, carbon and silicon. These are used in cigarette lighters and toys and flame throwing tanks. So pyrophoric alloy தீ சம்பந்தப்பட்ட தொழிற்சாலை எல்லாத்துலயுமே யூஸ் ஆகுது. So example match industry and crackers எல்லா இண்டஸ்ட்ரியிலுமே யூஸ் ஆகுது. Then very important 1 mark question. Dash and dash are used in gas lamp material. Ceria and thoria. CeO2 and THO2. Ceria and thoria are used in gas lamp material. Very important 1 mark question. Ceria and thoria used in gas lamp material. Cerium salt are used in dyeing cotton, lead storage battery and catalyst also. Lanthanides are used in metallothermic reactions due to their extraordinary reducing property. Lanthanothermy process yield sufficient amount of neptunium, zirconium, iron, cobalt, nickel, manganese, yttrium, wolfram, uranium, boron, silicon, all those things. Very important one, what is mixed metal? Mixed metal mean the alloy of lanthanides are known as mixed metal. What do you mean alloys? Alloy mean more than 2 metals combined to form an alloy. More than 2 metals combined to form an alloy. So what is mixed metal? The alloy of lanthanides are known as mixed metal. What are the constituent? What are the constituent mean? You can memorize very easily Zealand. Zealand. That means cerium, lanthanum, neodymium. What is mixed metal? The alloy of lanthanides are known as mixed metal. What are the constituent? Zealand, cerium, lanthanum and neodymium. In that mixed metal, cerium is present in 45 to 50%. Lanthanum 25% and neodymium 5%. Okay, so mixed metal mean the alloy of lanthanides are known as mixed metal. It constituents are cerium, lanthanum, neodymium. So the cerium present in 45 to 50%, lanthanum 25%, and 5% of neodymium. The very small quantity of other lanthanide metals like iron and calcium as an impurity. Mixed metals are used in where? Brands of steel like heat resistant, stainless steel and instrumental steel. Magnesium alloys containing 30% mixed metal and 1% zirconium are useful in making part of the jet engine. Jet engine is prepare ஆகிறதுல கூட இதுதான் யூஸ் ஆகுது. Then uses of arsenide, only two uses, both are very important 1 mark question. The first one is uranium 235 is a radioactive element. Uranium 235 is a fissionable one. It is used as a fuel in nuclear power plants as a component in nuclear weapons. Second one, very important 1 mark question, that the plutonium 238 is used as a power source in long mission space probe. Very important 1 mark question, plutonium 238 and uranium 235. Okay, so Varandal is using first in the fireworks as a catalyst and lead storage batteries and let which one that methyl reactions. Then this mixed metal. So what is mixed metal? Alloys of lanthanides are known as mixed metal. What are the constituents? Zealand. That means cerium, lanthanum and neodymium. How much percentage cerium is there? 45 to 50%. Lanthanum 25% and neodymium 5%. And very small amount of impurities like iron and calcium also is there. What are the uses of actinides? Only two things. One is uranium 235 and another one is uranium plutonium 238. That uranium 235 is fissionable one. That is that is used in fuel in nuclear power plants and as a components of nuclear weapon also. Plutonium 238 is used as a power source in long mission space probes. Okay, so that's a small lesson of FLAC element. If you study thoroughly, you can get easily full mark. You know, weightage of this lesson only 7 marks. So there's no 3 mark from this lesson, only 2 1 mark questions and 1 5 mark question. Question number 54 already told you. What are the possible questions? Only 4 questions. If 4 படிச்சாலே கண்டிப்பா ஒன்னு எழுதிரலாம். First question, what is Lanthanide contraction, causes and its consequences? Second question, how to extract lanthanide from monocyte sand? Third one is, what are the difference between lanthanide and actinide? இந்த கொஸ்டின் டிஃபரன்ஸ் கேட்டாங்கன்னா எனி 5 பாயிண்ட்ஸ் தான் கேட்பாங்க. எனிவே நீங்க எல்லா பாயிண்டும் படிச்சு தரவாருங்க, அப்பதான் அட்லீஸ்ட் 5 எழுதலாம் வித்வுட் மிஸ்டேக். Fourth one is uses of lanthanide and actinide. யூஸ் ஆஃப் lanthanide கூட கேட்க மாட்டாங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 3 தான் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். இதுவும் படிச்சு வச்சுக்கோங்க. So what are the possible questions? 4 தான். Easy I can score full marks. Okay. Again, first you have to know what is a F-lock element. The extra electrons enters into n minus 2 f orbitals are known as F-lock element. Why these elements are known as F-lock element? Because extra electrons enters into n minus 2 f orbital are known as F-lock element. F-lock element another name is inner transition element, because the original position is inside the transition metal. F-lock elements are further divided 2 types. One is 4 F-lock element, another one is 5 F-lock element. The 4 F-lock elements are known as lanthanides, 5 F-lock elements are known as actinides. Each and every series containing 14 elements. Lanthanide mean, why these elements are known as lanthanide? Because followed by the lanthanum elements are known as lanthanides. Lanthanum atomic 57, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, mendelium, dysprosium, colbium, erbium, thulium, lutetium. These are the 14 elements are known as lanthanides. Likewise, why that elements are known as actinide? Because followed by the actinium elements are known as actinides. Okay. What's the common electronic configuration for lanthanides? The 1 mark question. Xenon 54, 4f 1 to 14, 5d 1, 6 plus 2. Very same thing. What's the electronic configuration for actinide? Radon 86, then 5f 0 1 to 14, then 6d 0 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 7 as 2. What's the common electronic configuration for lanthanides? Plus 3. Maximum oxidation state plus 4. Common oxidation state for actinides plus 4. Maximum state plus 6. Where plus 3 plus 4? Here plus 4 plus 6. The first important question, what's the lanthanide contraction, causes and its consequences? Among in the Lanthanide series from lanthanum to lutetium, atomic number increases, atomic size steadily decreases. இதுக்கு பேர் தான் Lanthanide contraction. What's the causes? Because of imperfect shielding of 4f electron in the same substance. Shielding அப்ப சரியா இல்ல, சரியா தடுக்கல, அதனால ஸ்டெடியா குறைஞ்சிட்டே வருது. What's the reason? What's the consequences? Atomic number increases steadily from lanthanum to lutetium. Atomic size, that means radius, slowly decreases. According to the Fajans rule, covalent character increases, basic character decreases. So that comparing lanthanum to lutetium, lanthanum is the most basic element. So from the lanthanum to lutetium, reducing nature increases, so that acts as the reducing agent. Acts as the reducing agent. Then these F-lock elements are very close with the natural mineral, so that you can't separate very easily. Due to Lanthanide contraction, second and third row elements are very close in properties because of small in size. Then you know how to extract Lanthanide from monoxide sand. The extract Lanthanides are prepared from monoxide sand. You are going to heat with 210 degrees Celsius with corn sulfuric acid. You have to keep several hours. You will get cream mud. Then you will add cold water. You are going to filtrate it. One is residue, another one is filtrate. The residue unwanted, that unreacted monoxide sand is there. It contains titanium dioxide, silicon dioxide, and zirconium silicate. The filtrate containing H3O plus, Ln3 plus, CH4 plus, and H3O plus. Then HSO4 minus, SO4 2 minus, and H2PO4 minus. Again, you are going to add again you are going to add neutralize to proper acidity or HF. Again filter the solution. Here the precipitate of thorium phosphate or thorium. Here the filtrate containing lanthanide and phosphate. Now you are going to add sodium hydroxide or oxalic acid. If you add sodium hydroxide, you will get lanthanide hydroxide. Otherwise, you will get lanthanide oxalate. It's not a pure metal, so you have to introduce a suitable physical method. These are heated with 1270 Kelvin. The presence of calcium and argon atmosphere. The trifluorides are converted into lanthanum. Then comparison, you know very well how to compare lanthanide and arsenide. Lanthanides mean there is a binding energy of lanthanides are very higher. Here is lower. Maximum oxidation state plus 4. Maximum oxidation state plus 6. Less basic, more basic. Greater shielding effect, poor shielding effect. Do not form oxocation. Form oxocation very easily. Then exopromethium all are non-radioactive, all are radioactive, do not form complex easily, they form complex easily. Most of the ions are colorless, most of the ions are colored, U3 plus red in color, E4 plus green in color, UO2 plus yellow in color. Then uses. Okay, thank you students.